Today we are going to solve this question, square root of 36 over 6 minus square root of 35. What we have? We have a whole square root. At the numerator we have 36, at the denominator we have 6 minus root 35. It is in the form of square root of a over b. Our a value is 36 and b value is 6 minus root 35. We can write this as root a over root b, isn't it? So that's why we can write this as root 36 over square root of 6 minus root 35. And we know that square root of 36, the value is 6 only, over square root of 6 minus root 35. Now we will simplify this denominator part, which we have square root of 6 minus square root of 35. We have a double square root. To get rid of the square root, we need to do square, isn't it? So that's why you write this 6 minus square root of 35 in terms of a power 2 plus b power 2 minus 2ab form. Then we can write this as a minus b whole square. So if we take square root here and here, square and square root gets cancelled. So we are left only a minus b, which is easy to solve our given question. That's why 6 minus root 35, try to convert in terms of a power 2 plus b power 2 minus 2ab. Let's first observe this square root of 35. Square root of 35, 7 times 5, which is 35, isn't it? So we can write this as square root of 7 times square root of 5. And here we have a 2 times ab, isn't it? So that's why I'm going to write 2 over 2. So numerator we get 2 times square root of 7 times square root of 5. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, which gives 2 only. So instead of the denominator 2, I'm going to write square root of 2 times square root of 2. This term we can write as 2 times, here square root of 7 and here square root of 2. So we can write in one place, that is square root of 7 over 2. Similarly, this we can write it in one place, that is square root of 5 over 2. So now same, it is in the form of 2ab. After converting root 35 in terms of this 2 times square root of 7 over 2 times square root of 5 over 2. So we found that a value is square root of 7 over 2 and b value is square root of 5 over 2, isn't it? But we need to check, when you add a power 2 plus b power 2, we need to get 6. Are you getting 6 or not? We have to find out first. A power 2 plus b power 2, that is equal to, so what is our a value? Square root of 7 over 2 whole power 2. This is a power 2. What is the b value? Square root of 5 over 2 whole power 2. Let's square root and square gets cancelled. So you left only 7 over 2 plus 5 over 2. So at the denominator 2 as, let's take 2 as common. Then we have 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, which gives 12. 12 over 2 after cancelling, then you will get only 6. Yes, we are getting 6 here. So that's why we are in right path. Now let's try to write in terms of this form. So what we have first, we have a power 2, that is square root of 7 over 2 whole power 2 plus b power 2, that is square root of 5 over 2 whole power 2 minus 2 times a is 7 over 2, square root of 7 over 2 and then square root of 5 over 2. And still we have this square root term. So let's write square root term. Now it is in the form of a power 2 plus b power 2 minus 2ab. We can simply write this as a minus b whole square. Simply I'm going to write a minus b whole square, that is our a is square root of 7 over 2 minus square root of 5 over 2 whole power 2. This square root and this square gets cancelled. Only square root of 7 over 2 minus square root of 5 over 2. So after simplifying this, square root of 6 minus square root of 35, we got this whole square root of 7 over 2 minus whole square root of 5 over 2. Let's go back and substitute at the denominator. So after simplifying this denominator, we got this. So this we can write this as, here root 2 and here root common. So let's take it as common. Then you are left with numerator root 7 minus root 5 over root 2. So this root 2, it goes to numerator, so that is 6 root 2 over root 7 minus root 5. If you rationalize this denominator, square root of 7, here we have minus, let's do with plus. At the denominator, it is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. The formula is a square minus b square. That root 7 whole square, a square minus b square. Here square root and square gets cancelled, and here square root and square gets cancelled. So we left only 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, which gives 2. Here after cancelling this, so then we will get 3 root 2 times root 7 plus root 5. After expanding the brackets, then you will left 3 times root 2 times root 7, which gives root 14, plus root 2 times root 5, which gives root 10. So this is the value of this expression. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe, support to my channel. Thank you for watching.